Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Everyone, today we are creating something truly magical. Christmas windows that glow with warmth, comfort and festive joy, both inside and out. So make yourself comfortable, take a deep breath and let's begin. Windows are more than opening that lets in sunlight. During Christmas, windows become storytellers. They glow softly to winter evening, invite warmth into cold night, and whisper that magic is here. Whether your home is a big or small, simple or grand, Christmas window decoration offer beauty that feel gentle, peaceful, and full of meaning. Choose warm white lights for cozy golden glow. Drop them softly around the window frame, letting them fall gracefully. Don't pull too tight. We are looking for soft curves like gentle snowfall. You can also hang fairy lights vertically stand by stand to create a curtain of light to give your window a dreamy snowy effects like star falling quickly in the night. The simple step already create magic. Now let's add some nature. Use fresh and artificial pine garlands, lay them along the window falls or place them above the window as a hanging frame. If you want something more rustic and minimal, add just jute string, small pine cones, and red orange slice. Nature reminds us to slow down, to breathe, to live softly during the holiday season. Next, let's play with something gentle and traditional. Paper snowflake. Cut them in different sizes, hang them inside the glass using invisible thread so they appear to float. When the fairy lights glow, the snowflakes create beautiful shadow like snow dancing in the evening air. You can also add cutout like Santa sleigh, or winter village, reindeers, or cozy cottage shapes. This turns your windows into a storybook scene. If you love calming, slow, peaceful moment, place candles along the window sill, real candles for romance, LED candles for safety. The flame flicker reflect in the glass, creating a warm, gentle glow that feels like a soft embrace. Pair candle with pine garland and the windows become a sanctuary of peace. If you want wintry look without snow, use forested glass spray or forest effect stickers. These create beautiful pattern like snowy tears, snowfall dots, ice crystal sweat. Even when daytime light shines through the window look like a winter dream. Another simple idea, hang ornaments in front of the glass, clear ornaments for elegance, red and gold for tradition, jute wrap ornaments for rustic charm. Hang them at different length using thin string. This way, softening when the window opens, adding gentle movement. If your window has a small ledge or seating area, this is your moment to create a cozy Christmas corner. A warm blanket, a teeny pillow with Christmas pattern, a mug of hot cocoa, maybe a teeny block steak. This become a peaceful place to sit, breathe, and watch the world outside. Remember, your window shares joy with other too. If your home face a street, these lights become a gift to passerby. In winter evening, when people return home from work or school, seeing your warm glowing window may lift their heart even if they say nothing. Small kindness, silent magic. Christmas is a visual, but it's also feeling. Add scent like cinnamon, pines, clove, vanilla, orange peel. These scents settle the heart and calm the mind. This is where decoration become mindful, a way of living slow, peaceful and present. When you decorate your window, you are not just placing lights, you are creating a memory, a mood, a gentle reminder. Their warmth excites even in winter. So take your time, decorate slowly, let your heart guide your hands.